Hey, what's your name?
This is Russell, and what about you?
I'm Ridwan.
Yeah,
Where are you come from?
yeah. Basically, I'm from Singh, and you?
I'm from Chattogram.
Okay.
You know Chattogram?
Yeah. I know about Chattogram. Chattogram is most big division in our country. The most seaport located in Chattogram.
In Saint Port.
Yeah, and one time I visited this sport, and this area is very huge.
You know Chattogram is one of the most oldest ancient fort. This established 1666. That year is 329 years
Okay.
ago. The
Okay.
forts. It's the Greek established Rome, Greek and Rome's maps.
Okay. Do you know about my hometown?
No.
About Singh?
What Mymensingh?
Yeah.
No, I have no idea.
Okay. You do not visit any time this town or
No,
district.
I didn't.
But I suggest you, when you ever visit this place, then you visit our interesting place. There are a lot of interesting places located in our area,
Yeah.
such as Singh Museum, Silvadar Join Labuddin Museum, and Gauripur, Rajbari, Muktagasa, Jomidar Bari, and most importantly, two public universities located in our area. Bangladesh Agriculture University and Jatiya Kavi Kazi Nazrul Islam University. But Bangladesh Agriculture University is the number one agriculture university in Asia continent.
The Kazi Nazrul Islam University.
Yeah, no. Just I say Bangladesh Agriculture University.
Bangladesh, yes, I know. Well, I of course when I will be free time, that's I will be go there and visiting this place.
Okay. What's your future plan?
Oh, my future plan. And my future plan is secret, but I share you. My future plans I go abroad because I'm
Where you go to abroad? What is your ambition?
higher study purpose. After honors completed, then I go abroad higher education. Well, what is your future plan?
Yeah, I will also go to abroad for higher studies, basically for MBA program. And when I completed my MBA program, then I come back my home, and I develop my career as a banker. Basically, I want to be a banker. How do you know about English fantasy?
Yes, of course. I know English fantasy is the very comfortable learning platform. That's why. Firstly, when I came here, English fantasy, then their education system and learning English platform system and environment and everything is very easily our teaching.
Yeah, our mentor is very good, and she always take
friendly,
care
very
every student.
very friendly and socializable also.
I'm a student of English fantasy, and I just spent 5 or 6 days. But I noticed one thing. Day by day, I improve my learning skill, and
also,
at present, I conversation any person very easily. And what is your opinion about English fantasy?
Oh, English fantasy, you said already said day by day improve our English. Also me, day by day improve our English. Our mentors, push him.
Always push him here. Do not say any word in Bangla. Always try to speak in English.
When we are say one word Bangla, then
you have to pay 10
taka
taka for forward. Yeah.
It's very interesting way.
It's the very interesting point to me, and I for this reason is best for me.
Because they are very friendly and sociable.
I suggest everyone who want to learning English. I suggest them if you learn English very short time, then you have to choose English fantasy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
See you again anytime.
Touch you again.
Anytime or any day.
Okay, thank you so much.